Hi guys, my name is Eliza and today I want to talk about cancer. Today the world of oncology is divided. Scientists on one side argue that the future of cancer research lies in understanding the complex systems that govern cancer biology, while doctors on the other side argue that we need to focus on curing patients. Neither of these perspectives are wrong, only incomplete. We need to look at cancer research as a multi-layered cake, the foundation of which is microbiology. At this level, scientists seek to answer the question, what is cancer? The simple answer is uncontrolled cell growth. But what causes this, and is there a way to target cancer cells specifically? Researchers have made great strides in answering these essential questions by studying oncogenes, genes that govern the cell cycle and are more susceptible to cancer-causing mutations. In one study, scientists discovered that cancer cells prevent DNA erosion and program cell death by producing a unique and targetable enzyme called telomerase. This is only one example of how microbiology forms the backbone of cancer treatment, but it is only one small piece of the pie. The next tier we need to focus on is physiology. It is important to understand that cancer is not one disease. Cancer is, essentially, a genetic disease made up of the cells of the person it attacks. Everyone's cells are different, therefore, everyone's cancer is different. An 80-year-old man with lymphoma may not respond to the same drugs or radiation therapies that, say, a 19-year-old woman with the same cancer would. This is why, in the past decade, cancer treatment has been focused on individualized care. With a triage of chemotherapies, which are drugs that target rapidly dividing cells, radiation, which breaks down the DNA in cancer cells, and surgeries to remove tumor. With these tools at their disposal, oncologists can decide which treatments a patient's cancer responds to best and treat them appropriately. The third and final tier of the cake is global perspective. Through twin studies, scientists have postulated that, for the most part, mutations that cause cancer are not present at birth, but are products of a person's lifestyle and environment. But which environmental factors are responsible for cancer development, and how can we make cancer prevention a reality? In rural China, breast cancer is known as a rich people's disease because it mainly afflicts women who live in large cities like Beijing. But in America, breast cancer disproportionately afflicts the urban impoverished. It is by studying demographic data like this that scientists can identify factors like diet, risky behavior, and pollution as risk factors for cancer. Dialogue is the icing on the cake of cancer treatment. Every time someone has a real conversation about early detection or cancer prevention, we win a battle against the disease.